Hello everyone, welcome to Come to YouTube channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel to get more video latest update every weekly. At the previous video, I also show you how to configure standard and extended ACL scenario 1 and scenario 2. Today, I'm going to show you how to configure extended ACL scenario 3. For basically, I would like to let you read the instruction carefully to make sure you understand. Okay, in the scenario, we have 3 PCs, PC1, PC2, and PC3, and we have 1 router, and we have 2 servers, server 1 and server 2. Okay, let's go step by step. We go to step 1. Deny PC1 access to HTTP and HTTPS service on server 1 and server 2. And letter A, create an extended IP access list ACL name and deny PC1 access to HTTP and HTTPS service of server 1 and server 2. Okay, let's configure on it, and we go to router RT1. Mode, configuration mode. So let's create extended ACL name. Use command IP access list extended ACL. Okay, we go to letter B. Deny access from PC1 to server 1 using protocol HTTP specific port number is 80. We use command deny TCP host. So IP address of server 1 is 122.31.1.101, and host address of server 1 is 64.101.255.254. So specific port number is port 80, EQ 80. Okay, letter C. Deny access from PC1 to server 1 specific port number is 443. Use command deny TCP host. PC1 is PC1 IP address 122.31.101. Sorry. And host address of server 1 is 64.101.255.254. EQ port number is 443. Okay, let's configure deny access from PC1 to PC2 with specific port HTTP. We use command deny TCP host. So PC1 IP address is 122.31.101. Host address of server 2 is 64.103.255.254. EQ port number is 80. And letter E, deny from PC1 access to PC2 with specific port HTTPS. Use command deny TCP TCP host. IP address of PC1 is 122.31.1.101. Host address of server 2 is 64.103.255.254. EQ port number is 443. Okay, we go to step 2, deny PC2 access to HTTP service on server 1 and server 2. Okay, letter A, deny from PC2 to server 1. This comment deny TCP host. IP address of PC2 is 172.31.1.102 host. So IP address of server 1 is 64.101.255.254 with specific port is port 21 EQ 21. And letter B, deny access from PC2 to server 2 specific port 21 also. Please comment denies TCP host. So IP address of PC2 is 122.31.1.102. Host IP address of server 2 is 64.103. .255.254. EQ port number 21. So step 3, deny PC3 ping to server 1 and server 2. And letter A, deny ICMP access from PC3 to server 1. This is comment denies ICMP protocol host. So IP address of PC3 is 172.31.1.103. Host address of PC1 is 64.101.255.254. And letter B, deny ICMP from PC3 to server 2. We use comment deny ICMP host. So IP address of PC3 is 172.31.103. Host server 2 IP address is 64.103.255.254. And step 4, by default deny all the traffic that does not match any rule in the list. So we use command to permit any traffic. Permit IP any. Okay, And then after we finish default to allow all traffic, any traffic, we go to part 2, apply extended ACL. It means after we create the rule, we need to apply the rule. So the traffic to be the filter incoming from IP address 122.31.1.96/27. Network is denied from remote network. Appropriate ACL placement also spend on relationship of the traffic with the respect to RT1. Okay, now we apply ACL rule. We go to interface ITG 01. Oh, sorry. G0/0 IP access group that we have created is ACL. We use question mark to show, okay, inbound packet. Okay, now let's test access of APC. Now the configuration that require on router, we already configure on it. So let's test the configuration to make sure it is correct. So letter A, access the website of server 1 and server 2 using the web browser of PC1 and using HTTPS protocol. Okay, we let access from PC1 desktop web browser. We use protocol HTTP and HTTPS. We type HTTP IP address of server 1 64.101.255.254. Copy. Okay, go. Okay, request timeout, and we use with the HTTPS. So cannot access. Follow our requirement is we deny access from PC1 to server 1 with HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, now we already test HTTP and HTTPS could not reachable. Let access FTP of server 1 and server 2 using PC1 and username, password Cisco. Let access FTP from PC1. We type FTP, so IP address of server 1 is 64.101.255.254. Okay, we use username Cisco, password Cisco. Okay, can reach wall, log out from FTP. So let FTP to server 2. Okay, IP address of server 2 is 103.255.254. username Cisco, password Cisco. Okay. Okay, now move to letter C, ping server 1 and server 2 from PC 1. Okay, ping. Server 1 is IP address of server 1, 64.101.255.254. Okay, can reply. Ping to server 2. Server 2 is 103.255.254. Okay, can reply. We take a look our rule. Our rule that deny ICMP deny ping is PC3. So it means accept PC3 cannot ping to server 1 and server 2 follow our rule. Okay, step D, repeat step 2A and step 2 from PC2 and PC3 and verify access operation. We can close on PC2 and PC3. So let's access web on PC2. Access to server HTTP server 1. Okay, can reachable the web service, and we use HTTPS. Stop and go again. Okay, can reachable the same, and take a look our rule. And we close and start FTP to server 1. IP address of server 1 is 64.101.255.254. FTP. Can't reachable because PC2 we deny FTP access, and let FTP to server 2. IP address of server 2 is trying to connect to server 2. It should be unreachable because we deny. And let ping to server 1. Yeah, sorry. Ping to server 1. Reachable. Ping to server 2. Reachable, and then let FTP to server 1 and server 2. FTP IP address of server 1, sorry, 254. Cannot reachable, and we go to FTP to server 2. Yes, cannot reachable. So on PC3, you can follow step A and step 2 to verify the connection. So all the configuration is finished, and I also test the result for you. If you have any comment or you have any suggestion, you can comment below. And one more thing, you can check out on my website. I will post many articles related to ACL basic configuration on network device based on Cisco product. And if you think my video and my article is helpful, you can donate amount of money as you can via PayPal account and Bitcoin or Ethereum. Thank you for watching and see you for next video.